This tutorial walks you through on how to create compressed zip folder on Windows 11. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch your File Explorer. It is usually pinned on this taskbar, so click on it. Once you're home, click on where you want to create the saved folder on. So let's say in the documents in this case, I'll click on it. Once you're here, click on New, select Compressed Zipped Folder. Then give it a name. After that, press the Enter key of your computer keyboard. And this folder is created and saved. Let's say I want to add some documents inside. First is to click on the document for it to be selected. Then click on the copy icon. Double click on the folder for it to open. Then click on paste. So you can add as many files as you want inside. But if you don't have this feature on your Windows 11 PC, please look at what you're going to do. Just click on Start, then select Settings here, then click on Windows Update, then check for updates and then install it. Once that is done, you'll have this feature. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.